Are you looking for an auto insurance quote in the USA? We're here to help. Based on the information provided, we can offer you an estimated quote of $103.05 for auto insurance coverage. It's important to note that this quote is a rough estimate and may vary depending on various factors such as your location, driving record, age, the type of vehicle you own, and the coverage options you choose. Auto insurance is essential for protecting yourself, your vehicle, and others on the road. In the USA, it's a legal requirement in most states to have a minimum level of auto insurance coverage. However, it's recommended to consider comprehensive coverage that goes beyond the minimum requirements to ensure adequate protection. When obtaining an auto insurance quote, it's advisable to compare quotes from multiple insurance providers to find the best coverage at a competitive price. Insurance companies use different rating factors to determine premiums, so shopping around can help you find the most affordable option that meets your specific needs. To get an accurate quote, it's recommended to contact insurance providers directly or use online platforms that allow you to compare quotes from multiple companies. They will typically ask for details such as your personal information, driving history, vehicle details, and desired coverage options. Remember, the final cost of your auto insurance may differ from the initial quote based on additional factors considered during the underwriting process. These factors can include your credit history, annual mileage, and any applicable discounts you may be eligible for. Obtaining auto insurance coverage is a responsible decision that ensures you are protected financially in the event of an accident or other unforeseen circumstances. It's important to carefully review the terms and conditions of your policy before making a final decision, and to ask any questions you may have regarding coverage, deductibles, or exclusions. We recommend reaching out to a reputable insurance provider to get a personalized quote that takes into account all the necessary information and factors specific to your situation.